Eva Padlock, a Taurus born on May 13, 1984 in the enchanting city of Barcelona, Spain, embodies warmth and loveliness as a professional model who has gracefully pushed the boundaries of Instagram's no nudity. At the age of 39, she continues to captivate the digital realm with over 2.1 million followers, earning prestigious titles such as Sports Illustrated's Lovely Lady of the Day and Thrill Bender's Babe of the Day. Before the spotlight found her, Eva delved into the world of design, studying interior design at Escola Massana in Barcelona, showcasing her diverse talents beyond the modeling world. Her journey took an energetic turn when she earned the moniker Monster Girl as one of the models promoting Monster energy drinks at MotoGP races. Rooted in her Spanish heritage, Eva Padlock brings warmth to her online presence, hailing from the vibrant city of Barcelona. Alongside fellow model Kelly Maria Walton, she shares the role of spokesmodel for Monster Energy, adding a dynamic flair to her already illustrious career. Eva's biography is a testament to a life lived with grace, charm, and a touch of rebellious spirit that continues to resonate with admirers worldwide.